Something fun about being a truck technician is when you're working on a truck and you know what you're doing, it's like building Legos almost. Like you're just putting parts together. It's really fun.
So medium heavy duty truck is anything over 26,000 pounds or anything in inter or interstate commerce. What are you going to learn in this program? You're going to learn everything bumper to bumper. So that's not just engines and transmissions, that's also the equipment that goes on the vehicle. So that could be cranes, that could be lift gates, that could be refrigeration systems. So anything on that truck is what you're going to be asked to work on in the field, and that's what we're going to teach you how to do here.
This program is so unique in that it's small and it's hands-on. We provide lots of support for students. And if you are curious and you like to take things apart and put things back together, we are the program for you.
The job market for truck technicians is great. There is a huge need for technicians in industry. Most students will have a job before they leave the program. You know, everything's a lot bigger than cars, so your paycheck is definitely a lot bigger than working on cars as well.
My favorite things about my teacher, he's a really funny guy. He explains everything in detail. He's a really, really calm, chill guy. Honestly, he's like really one of the best instructors I've ever had.
Oh yeah, Dan knows everything. You come here with your own light duty vehicles, he can tell you what's wrong with it too. It's a friendly environment.
The lab space that we have is very similar to what you'll find in a shop. We have factory level scan tools to support every major manufacturer, make and model, medium and heavy duty. So that can be a Packard, a Peterbilt or a Kenworth, that could be a Ford. All of that tooling to help us diagnose the equipment, in addition to the tooling to service specific types of components on the vehicle. The advantage of getting your training here at St. Paul versus in industry is the program is set up for that diversity, so you can be a well-rounded technician, so you can go anywhere and search for a job that you want.
It's honestly like one of the best programs. A lot of these things that you learn here, you can't really learn anywhere else outside of school.
My favorite thing with this program has to be the fact that like problem solving is huge in this. It's all hands-on work. That really pumps me up. There's not a lot of lessons or like focusing on like the whiteboards and whatnot. You come in and you just try to crank your assignments out.
What I like the most about St. Paul College, it's affordable, it's really diverse, a lot of opportunities here.
The way this program is structured, students can do it in about 2 years. It is really a dynamic and lifelong career path. The students are fantastic. They are in there, they are constantly problem solving. Anytime you walk into the shop, it just looks amazing. These are large scale, heavy duty trucks that basically make the world go round and get us the things that we need. And the students are so engaged, they form a great community, and they get hands-on learning instruction from an excellent teacher who came from the industry and really knows the stuff.